Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine too, and curious, what's your favorite kind of bird?
I absolutely love hummingbirds.
Hummingbirds are fascinating creatures. What makes them your favorite?
I'm mesmerized by their vibrant colors, their tiny size, and their ability to hover in midair. They're like little jewels in the sky.
That sounds absolutely enchanting. Is there a particular hummingbird species that you find the most captivating?
The ruby-throated hummingbird is my favorite. The males have a stunning iridescent red throats, and it's a joy to watch them dart around.
Ruby-throated hummingbirds are indeed a sight to behold. Are any other bird species that you find intriguing?
I'm also fascinated by owls. Their silent flight, large eyes, and distinctive calls make them mysterious and captivating.
Owls have an aura of mystery surrounding them. Do you have a favorite owl species or any memorable encounters with owls?
The great horned owl is my favorite owl species. I once had the opportunity to spot one perched on a tree branch during a nighttime hike, and it was an unforgettable experience.
That sounds absolutely amazing. Any bird species that you're not particularly fond of?
I'm not a big fan of pigeons. While they are common city birds, their behavior and messy habits can sometimes be bothersome.
That's understandable. Pigeons can indeed be quite persistent. Thanks for sharing your favorite type of bird.
No problem at all. So, what's your absolute favorite bird?
I absolutely love peacocks. The majestic beauty of their iridescent feathers and their elegant displays never fail to leave me in awe.
Oh, peacocks are such stunning creatures. The vibrant colors and their graceful movements make them truly mesmerizing.
Hi there. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. And how about you?
I'm fine as well. When it comes to marine animals, which one captures your heart the most?
I love dolphins. They're intelligent, playful, and captivating in the water.
Dolphins are incredible creatures. What makes them your favorite?
I'm amazed by their intelligence, agility, and their playful nature. Watching them swim and interact with each other brings me so much joy.
That sounds absolutely delightful. Is there a particular dolphin species that you find the most fascinating?
The bottlenose dolphin is my favorite. They're one of the most well-known and widely recognized dolphin species, and their friendly demeanor is captivating.
Bottlenose dolphins are indeed charismatic creatures. Are any other marine animals that you find intriguing?
I'm also fascinated by sea turtles. Their gentle movements and their ability to navigate vast oceans amaze me. Plus, they're such ancient and majestic creatures.
Sea turtles are wonderful. Do you have a favorite species of sea turtle or any memorable encounters with them?
The green sea turtle is my favorite. I once had the opportunity to snorkel alongside one in its natural habitat, and it was a breathtaking experience.
That sounds absolutely incredible. Any marine animals that you're not particularly fond of?
I'm not a big fan of jellyfish. While they are fascinating creatures, their stinging tentacles can be quite intimidating.
That's understandable. Jellyfish can be a bit challenging to handle. Thanks for sharing your favorite type of marine animal.
No problem at all. So, what's your absolute favorite marine animal?
I absolutely love orcas, also known as killer whales. Their strength, intelligence, and complex social structures make them truly remarkable creatures.
Oh, orcas are such magnificent animals. Their powerful presence in the ocean is awe-inspiring.
Hey there! How are you doing today?
I'm feeling fantastic. And how about you?
I'm doing well too. Which extinct animal holds a special place in your heart?
Yeah, I have an immense fascination with dinosaurs. Their ancient existence, incredible diversity, and the mysteries they carry truly captivate my imagination.
Dinosaurs are fascinating. What makes them your favorite?
I'm captivated by their massive size, unique appearances, and the fact that they roamed the earth millions of years ago. It's like stepping into a world of ancient giants.
That sounds absolutely awe-inspiring. Is there a particular dinosaur species that you find the most intriguing?
The Tyrannosaurus rex is my favorite. Its sheer power, sharp teeth, and iconic image in popular culture make it a legendary dinosaur.
The Tyrannosaurus rex is indeed an iconic dinosaur. Any other extinct animals that you find fascinating?
I'm also fascinated by the woolly mammoth. The idea of these enormous, shaggy creatures living in icy environments is incredible.
Woolly mammoths are truly remarkable. Do you have a favorite extinct animal other than dinosaurs and mammoths?
The dodo bird is quite interesting. It's a symbol of extinction, and its unique appearance and story capture my imagination.
The dodo bird is a fascinating example of extinction. Thanks for sharing your favorite extinct animal.
No problem at all. So, what's your absolute favorite extinct animal?
I absolutely love the saber-toothed tiger. Its long, curved canine teeth and its predatory nature make it a captivating extinct predator.
Oh, the saber-toothed tiger is such an impressive creature. Its teeth alone are enough to spark curiosity and fascination.
Hello. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thanks. How about yourself?
I'm good as well. Do you have a favorite type of pet?
Definitely. I absolutely adore cats.
Cats make such wonderful companions, don't they? What is it about them that makes them your favorite?
I really love their independent yet affectionate nature. Cats are fantastic at offering companionship while still having their own distinct personality.
That sounds absolutely lovely. Is there a particular cat breed that you find the most charming?
The Persian cat is my favorite. Their luxurious long fur and their sweet, gentle temperament make them incredibly endearing.
Persian cats are indeed beautiful. Any memorable experiences with cats or any special cat you've had in your life?
I once had a rescue cat who became my best friend. It was heartwarming to see how much love and trust she developed over time.
That's wonderful. Rescue cats can bring so much joy and love into our lives. Are any other pets that you find intriguing?
I'm also fascinated by birds, especially parrots. Their colorful feathers and their ability to mimic sounds are truly remarkable.
Parrots are incredible. Do you have a favorite species of parrot or any memorable encounters with them?
The African gray parrot is my favorite. I once had the chance to interact with one, and its intelligence and ability to communicate amazed me.
That sounds absolutely amazing. Any pets that you're not particularly fond of?
I'm not a big fan of snakes. While they have their unique beauty, I prefer furry companions that I can cuddle and play with.
That's understandable. Snakes aren't for everyone. Thanks for sharing your favorite type of pet.
No problem at all. So, what's your absolute favorite pet?
I absolutely love dogs. Their loyalty, playful nature, and unconditional love make them such incredible companions.
Oh, dogs are such wonderful friends. Their wagging tails and boundless energy can brighten up anyone's day.